Hi cutie patooties, welcome back into the Trinity Kingdom, and today's gonna be a little bit of a shorter video, but we have some packages from our PO box and I'm really excited about this. I did say everything that we get sent will be open on stream, but my good friend Little Geek said that this one might be a little bit more adulty or a gagged gift. I'm not 100% sure. And this one is from a Nelson. I'm not really sure if I know who this person is or if they have a different Twitch name. So if you have a different Twitch name, Nelson, please let me know who you are so I can thank you for this. Again, anyone who sent me PO Box gifts, thank you so much. I've loved all of them so far. For Christmas, we got a whole bunch of more stuffed animals, so I'm really excited to get these open and let you guys see what these are. So we're going to start with the Little Geek one first because I'm really nervous about this one and I have no idea if it's a gag gift or it's an adult gift or if Little Geek was just playing me what they said that. So let's get this open and thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas and got some fun gifts and, you know, did all the fun Christmassy activities. Dude, I don't know how to open packages. I'm very bad at this. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber who, like, opens stuff, but I'm like, bro, you need to figure out how to open boxes and stuff before you get into all that. Alright, I got it. Well, I thought I got it. Oh, let's see what this is. I think there's a note first. Let's read the note first. Okay, it's a note. I don't know if I should read this out loud. I'm gonna read it, and if it's personal, I won't add it into the YouTube video. Let's I like that it's got pink letters. Oh wait, don't look at it. If it's personal, don't look at it. It says, "Hey cutie, didn't think of sending this gift till late into the holiday shopping season. With the time to print them and paint them, it is arriving now. So happy I was invited to collab with you in your stream wifey that day." Oh. I made another wonderful friend. That's you. Hope you like this handmade gift. Saw some things online that sparked an idea and instantly thought of you. One of these days, I'll learn how to play Fortnite with you. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay sexy. We all know you will, though. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Oh my god. I'm not gonna say this person's real name, but thank you, Little Geek. That is so freaking, this is so cute. I got a personalized letter. Now I feel bad that I didn't read this on stream. Fucking cock. Alright, let's see. These are so cool. What? I'm so terrible for not opening this up on stream. Oh my god. These are little earrings. Oh my freaking god, what? The frick? They're little cat earrings. Oh my god. This is so fucking cute. What? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. 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 I cannot believe this. Look at this. These are pink handmade kitties. These are going in my ears right now. Little Geek, fuck you, bitch. Oh my god, I haven't put anything in my ears in a long time. Hopefully they go right there. Okay, that one went right there. I got fucking cat earrings. Everyone can eat my ass. And a cat necklace. Oh my god. That is so thoughtful. Thank you for the earrings. Thank you for the gift. And thank you for just thinking of me this holiday season. That means the world to me. Oh my god, guys. I have freaking cat ears. And Ozzy just fell on the ground. Fuck you, Ozzy. Oh my god. Okay, these are adorable. Okay, I'm gonna wear these on stream today and see if you notice. You think anyone's gonna notice? Oh, I always wear a dumb headset though. I can't believe I have freaking cat earrings. Oh my god, thank you so much. I love this. I love this so much. I can't wait to show everybody. And it's handmade. And the letter, I'm keeping this letter. Is that weird? I hope that's not weird. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna send me a gag gift. Oh my god, I'm so sad that I didn't open this on stream for you to see my reaction now. Well, thank you. I hope you like this reaction. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. My little heart goes pitter patter sometimes, you know. All right, so this one's from a Nelson. Let's see what this one is. I'm assuming this is something from Amazon just because it's in an Amazon package. But who would know? Who would know? Oh my goodness. My heart's racing now. I don't know why I thought that was gonna be like, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking that was gonna be in there. Okay. Oh my goodness. They make these packages so hard to open. Alright, on to the second one. What could be in this bad boy? I'm not strong enough. I was gonna be one of those cool people who just like rip it. Oh look, damn cool now. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got another note, and you always start with the note. Always, always, always. Aww. Have you caught this Christmas spirit? But it wasn't hard to do. I freaking love Christmas cards. They're always so cute. Look at that little mousey. Being joyful, kind, and giving comes naturally to you. Oh, this is so cute. Merry Christmas to one of the funniest and most loving streamers I know. I hope you have a great Christmas. Please enjoy the painted. Oh my god, I think this is from Nelkamar. These painted miniatures inspired by you in your stream. Oh my god, I can't wait to see these. Fuck, why did I not open this on stream for you guys? Look guys, all the cute stuff's in here. Oh my god, I got 2 homemade gifts. Like, people made these for me. I never thought that this would ever be possible. People are sending me stuff that they make. I don't even know how to explain how cool that is. That it doesn't even make sense to me. My little heart is so full of joy. Holy cow. This is so freaking cool. Oh my god. Okay. I'm trying to get this stuff off of them so you don't like see all of it. Okay. Let's look at this little miniature thing. This is so cute, and it's based off of my stream colors. It's got the pinks and the purples. That's so freaking cool. This is definitely gonna go on my back, right back here with all my little Nicky Nacky Nack. That's so freaking cute. I want to make sure that there's like not another one in here. Oh, there is. Oh, thank goodness I checked. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna be wrong when I say this, but this looks almost kind of like a little Halo guy, maybe? I'm probably wrong. I don't know where these little what these little miniature things are, but this is so cute. I wish it would focus for you guys to see. Look at that. It's got the pinks and the purples and everything. And I want to say, I believe that Nelkamar had said that they were gonna send me these. Oh my god. This is so cool. I have 2 handmade gifts. This is so stinking sweet. Let me just double check. I feel like that's it now. I don't want to throw anything away. Thank you guys for the homemade gifts. Thank you guys for the notes. I'm keeping everything, but I'm for sure the notes are going in a safe spot. I mean, not everything else is going in a safe spot, because everything is going to be safe spot. But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and thank you guys so much for sending stuff to this Trinity Kingdom, especially this holiday season. I know some people were scared to be with family and friends, or just feeling a little bit blue. And again, sometimes the holidays are an amazing time for people, but sometimes it is also the hardest time of the year. So with this holiday season, those of you guys who thought of me, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And even though we might just be internet family, we're still family. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, don't forget to click subscribe. And again, thank you guys for being a part of the Twin Kingdom. See you guys next year. XOXO. Princess out, babies.